Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool parallax effect using HTML and CSS. This effect gives your website a smooth and immersive scrolling experience. Let's dive right in. Okay, first we'll set up our HTML structure. Open your code editor and create a new HTML file, and let's start by writing the basic HTML structure and adding some section for our parallax effect. But before we started, let's change title our page. We can write parallax effect. Okay, and next let's create our parallax item inside body. And now we can start creating our sections. Let's create first section and add class, call this class content. And inside our section we have title and text. Let's create title. We'll be using H1. We can write something like welcome to parallax effect. Okay, and also let's create some text using paragraph tag with scroll down to see the effect in action. Also add point, and I think we can duplicate this section, but let's change our text. For the second section we can write another section. But if you will be using this code in your own projects, won't forget that we can use only one H1 tag on one page. Okay, and also let's change text. We can write in something like enjoy the smooth parallax scrolling. Okay, our second section is also ready, and next step, let's create our last section. It doesn't necessarily, but I think it will be more attractive and our page will be more long. Okay, also change our title. We can write last section and add some text like this is the end of the demonstration. We can write demo. Okay, now let's add some CSS to create the parallax effect. We'll style the parallax class to make the background image fixed while the content scrolls over it. Okay, first step, you need to create new CSS file, and next you need to connect this style inside your head using a link tag with attribute rel with value style sheet, and also using href to add link. Okay, and next let's create basic styles. Open our main CSS file, and first let's create style for our body and HTML. Create new selector, and first we'll delete all margin and padding. Also we set font using property font family. We'll be using Arial, and also we need to delete vertical scroll. We can use in property overflow x hidden. Okay, let's look at the window. Here's our markup, and like you see, we succeeded connect our styles and we get new font and background color. Next, let's create styles for our parallax element. First, we need to connect our image. Before started recording this video, I download one image, and you can use in any images, it doesn't matter, using property background image and URL, and now we can connect our image. Okay, next step, we need to add high full screen and property background attachment fixed. Okay, also change position our background, we can use in property background position, and we need center. Okay, and if our image will be small, we can combine property background repeat, no repeat, and background size cover to make our background full screen. Create these two property. First create background repeat with value, no repeat, and background size color. Okay, our parallax element is ready, and let's look at the window. And like you see, it's almost ready, and next step, let's create some styles for our section. Copy this class and create new selector with our styles. First, add styles for our height. We'll be again using VH 70, and also center our content inside our section. Combine three properties like display flags, justify content center, and other items center. Okay, let's look at the window, and like you see, our text in one line. I think we need to divide it. We can using property flags direction column and text on center for our title and paragraph. Okay, also we can create background white, but it doesn't necessary because our background now is also light. And also let's create some styles for our paragraph and our title. Delete all margin and add padding 20 pixels. Okay, and now let's look at the window. Like you see, our parallax is work, and let's also add this effect between all our sections. Now it looks very attractive, and there you have it. A simple yet effective parallax scrolling effect using HTML and CSS, no JavaScript, is needed for the basic effect, making it easy to implement and very smooth. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.